What is going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the Hero 9 Black. Just got this puppy in today. Just got dropped off from the delivery service, so pretty excited to get it. I'm going to be using it here on my trip, so that was why I wanted to unbox it here. Figured to make it a little bit special. So I am over here currently in the Eastern Sierras at an undisclosed location. However, some of you guys may know it, but I'm here giving you guys a nice view. Figure, you know, with these being an outdoor camera, heck, why not? Let's make a outdoor video. So here we are doing an unboxing video, and we got a little ant right here, but we're going to be doing this unboxing video. We're going to be getting this going here, so can't wait to show you guys. Let's kind of just dive into it. I'm sure probably by now you guys have seen a lot of unboxing videos, but again, wanted to make this official because of my trip that I'm going to be using this camera at. First off, we're going to unbox it. I've been rubbing it right here, so it's got kind of dirty, but here we go. We're just going to take this apart right here. Open that up. We've been having a little breeze, so hopefully the trash doesn't get breathed, but definitely like the packaging. It's always nice, and this is nice. This is a lot better than what they've been doing. They've been having all these plastics and stuff. So, oh shoot, my trash went away. I'll have to get that. It looks like this time they actually enclosed a case with it. With GoPro having this case, I think this is really nifty. I think this is a great job. Good job, GoPro. I do wish it had a little loop or something, so that way you could clip it onto a backpack or something with a carabiner when you're going hiking or something, but not a deal breaker. And I'll tell you what, this feels pretty rugged. This is like the other case that I have. This feels really solid. So good case, I think, for the money that you're investing in, rather than all that plastic stuff they give you. This is a way better deal. So if you're new to GoPro, first time buyer, you get a case with this. Hey, that's pretty awesome to take care of your stuff. So let's get this opened up. Let's check this out right now. As we got the subscribe to GoPro and unlimited cloud storage. You know what, I got to tell you guys, this is definitely worth the investment. I think you pay 50 bucks a year. I just got it last year for the first time, and the discounts I get on accessories and stuff helps a lot. I guess you get like 35 or look up to 50% off GoPro mounts and accessories. So I definitely recommend that. You know, some people are kind of on the fence, like, should I get it? But I'll tell you what, get it, enjoy it, get those accessories, especially if you're new to GoPro and you know you're investing all that money into it. Definitely worth the 50 bucks a year or whatever it is. So that's good stuff. Looks like we got some download, kind of gives you some how to charge it, take the back off, the battery, product questions. As always, you know, with us gentlemen, we'll probably read this later. Maybe you ladies. I don't know if you guys read this, but if you guys have some downtime, you know, read that, check it out. So we're going to put that back right there. And now for what's inside. They got a battery, got a clip, a buckle here, got the attachment loop right here. So or the attachment bolt. So that's cool. Charging cable. And again, you can mount that. Let's see if there's anything inside here. Nope, nothing inside here. So that's empty. Generally, they give you some stickers. I thought maybe they'd be in there by now, but let's pull this out. So compared to the 8, which I'm using right now to record this thing is pretty girthy, pretty thick. So you can see it's got a little extra width right there. This is pretty awesome if you're into vlogging or taking selfies, as we all are. This has got a front screen, so this works pretty good right there. So, but again, with the front screen right here, I gotta say this feels pretty sturdy. And the battery as well too. It is longer, thicker, and with the battery, this is supposed to get you like 30% more use with the camera. So it's supposed to hold the charge a little bit longer. So that's pretty good. So let's put this in here. Let's see what's up. Let's take this plastic wrap off. Let's take that out. The door, ooh, let's see here. There it is. So there's the door handle right here. Put the battery in. And it's probably going to tell me I need to update and all that good stuff too. So let's see here. There we go. And you know what? I have the left the memory card. This does come with a memory card too. Only a 32 gig, so I definitely recommend you investing in a bigger memory card. Well, let's see. Maybe does it come with a little bit of a charge? This comes with no charge. So, well, I was going to show you the front screen. I do have another battery charged. All right, so now I'm back. I did go get the memory card from the car. I had it in the glove there, but did go grab that. And I'll tell you what, you got to kind of push kind of hard on the memory card. Again, it's not just a real, you got to really kind of give a little force in there. Got a charged battery now, so let's see if this puppy works here. Hey, there it goes, it powered on. So let's see, it's probably doing its thing, but nice display. I don't know if you can see me there, but it just says 9. That's kind of cool. So there it is. Wow, all right, that's cool. So it's recording, or you can see my face or whatever on the 9. Sorry, I didn't mean to go away, guys, but yeah, you can see me right there. That's pretty cool. So here we are with the GoPro 9. Oh, let's set it up. English. Use the terms, agree. Capture the location, yeah, on. So right now I have no service, no Wi-Fi service. I don't have any service. So, let continue. So got my phone on right now, but we'll have to install it to the GoPro app. But pretty cool, nice big screen. I mean, this looks a good 1 inch right there, 1 inch by 1 inch. So it's definitely bigger than the lens too. So that should give you guys a lot of room to see yourself. I mean, even just with the 9 showing, that's pretty cool. You know, one thing I love about GoPros, they are pretty rugged. If you're new to GoPro, I gotta tell you, this feels like a tank. This is probably the heaviest GoPro they've made. I've had GoPro since the Hero 3 Plus Black, and this is by far probably the heaviest GoPro right now. So just kind of give you guys a heads up on that. This is not, this is a tank. This feels solid right here. So definitely not cheaply done. So well done, GoPro. I can't wait to use this GoPro on this trip. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. It's got a cool horizon stable on it, so if you're you know, if you're tilting the camera here and there, it's gonna, you know, it's gonna stay that horizon level, so it's not going to get all wobbly. You don't, you know, that they say the gimbal's gone, so that's pretty no more gimbal for these things. But they said that with 8, and you still kind of have to use the gimbal. I noticed a little bit better balance when I used my Hero 6 with the gimbal versus the Hero 8. Just seemed like I had a little bit more stability. Maybe it was just me, who knows. But again, guys, this is a GoPro 9 Black. I definitely will enjoy using this. Again, this feels pretty heavy. I think I will use this a lot over my Hero 8. It just, you know, with the 5K 30 frames a second, I mean, that's huge. Also, what I like about this camera too is that now you can actually set it up to, if you want to get like a nice time lapse starting at 5 in the morning, you don't have to wake up at 5 in the morning, and then you can actually set this for 5 in the morning, and it'll record right at 5 in the morning. So, and then that way you can get your time lapse and then get the sunrise going, and you know, the stuff like that. I mean, that's pretty cool. So again, pretty innovative right there. But again, what usually sells me on these action cameras is stability. With the Hypersmooth 3.0 that GoPro has right now, I mean, that's going to be huge. Again, these GoPros, that get better and better every time. So again, the stability definitely sells me quite a bit. So can't wait to check that out and, you know, see how that works. But again, I'm going to set this up. No need to bore you guys on that. I'm going to go set this up, and can't wait to use it for this fishing trip and throughout the year. If you're new to GoPro and, you know, you don't really know anything about it, I'm going to turn this off. Again, first time users, I would definitely recommend this. Their interface on the GoPros are pretty easy. Got to hold, there it goes. Oh, that sucker's loud. So I'm going to set this up. Again, if you guys are new to GoPro, definitely check out the 9. Also too, what I forgot to tell you guys, one of the big sellers You know, we all kind of were disappointed with the Hero 8 because it didn't have the interchangeable lens. GoPro brought back the interchangeable lens. Now you can actually mod this out with a max mod, which makes it a wider view. So I did not get that just because I already have my Hero Max, my 360 camera. So I didn't get that. I'm just going to use this strictly for, you know, maybe if I get some underwater fishing footage or something, or, you know, but again, if you damage the lens, it's irreplaceable. It just pops right off, and you can get a new lens. So that's huge, very huge. My big concern would be the front screen here if it cracks or something. You know, especially for the BMXers and for the motocross guys, I can definitely see that cracking. But again, with that, what I showed you guys earlier with the, if you guys do the GoPro thing here, you know, no questions asked on the camera replacement. So if you break it, they send you out a new one, or maybe a refurbished one, and they take care of you that way. So kind of like a worry-free kind of deal. So and GoPro's customer service is, I gotta say, they've always been pretty fair with me in the past, and they've always treated me right. So I've never had an issue with their customer service at all. So other than that, guys, again, pretty excited about this new camera. Can't wait to get it out there, check out the stabilization. So I'm gonna sign off. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the weekend, stay safe out there, and I will see you guys on the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.